Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator, and I have a question. Are you tired of having a fugly face and you swear up and down that you don't look good without makeup? And you want to do something quick, fast, and in a hurry, but you don't have time to go to a spa, and you hate them long 10 to 15 minute AF tutorials telling you that this is what you need to do to your face. You need to peel off this, you need to do off that. Well, I have a simple remedy that comes in a tiny little pod. This is nügg. It's a hydrating face mask with camellia seed oil, spirulina extract, and it intensely hydrates and replaces dry, dehydrated skin. And it also has a natural dispersion technology, and it's a gentle, non-drying type oil. So I got this from the Greatest Good sample box that I decided to take on from Simblr, and I cannot wait to use this. I also have something that helps remove makeup pretty good. It's from Kleenex, and it's one of their daily cleansing cushions, and I'm going to use this when I do my next makeup look, and I'll do a video on that soon. But without further ado, let's go ahead and try this bad boy out. Alright, so the first thing you gotta do is you gotta give me a minute because I need to find a way to mount this. Okay, my feet are gonna have to do. Okay, so let's see what this actually looks like. I absolutely love the packaging. Absolutely amazing. It's almost like a location icon a little bit, but it's definitely pretty. I love the colors, pink and all that. But yeah. I don't know. Do you see my letters? Oh, you see my letters? I hope you do. They're right there. Okay. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, how in the heck do you open this? This is worse than a yogurt cup. Let me see if my X-Factor knife can. Oh, there it is. Can open this because it was crazy trying to open the packaging that came with this. Now it's gonna be even more. Okay, there we go. Open it like it's a can of soup. Okay. So, wow. What I noticed is that it's all, wow. The first thing I noticed is that look at this. It's almost like it's Vaseline, but it's really not. Check this out. This bad boy looks amazing. Okay, I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's get into the instructions. Oh, wait. Alright. Thank you to my X-Factor knife and my feet. That's a good mount. Alright, so what they want you to do is keep your face nice and clean. That's what I did earlier this morning. And now I'm going to apply this onto my face. Okay. I wish I had my mirror, but I don't. It actually smells, what does it remind me of? It's kind of like AMD oil, but it's a better smell to it. Yeah. I have a lot on this side. I don't know why I keep going on this side of thing. There we go. It didn't say anything about the neck either, so I'm just going to leave the neck alone. And put some on my eye. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah. Okay, so let me see how this looks. See if this looks any crazy. And then you guys tell me what you think. Brow looks super greasy. But let me see what y'all think. What y'all think? Do I look super greasy? Okay. Now it says to leave it on for 5 to 15 minutes. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to set a timer on my tablet. And I'll see you guys in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So as you can see, I set the timer to about 5 minutes. It's now 4:50. And I'm noticing that the texture of it, even though it almost looks a bit heavy, it feels light on my face. So it's probably a good, that's definitely a good thing. Definitely a good thing. I'm going to apply just a little bit more. And while you've been doing this for your 5 minutes, you can actually, just chillax and read some emails, which is what I'll be doing. Okay, so Ugh, emails. Who loves them and who hates them? Let me know in the comment section. What? I didn't check these emails? Okay, I'll write back with the emails. Okay, so we got 2 minutes left. And so far, it says it's a non-drying, so it's not going to be like a mess that you got to peel off. So, I can't wait to finish up this little cuteness. I feel pretty good about this. I'm definitely feeling the effects of how cute I look. Okay, see you guys in about 2 minutes. Still 2 minutes. Right about there. I don't know why it's not picking up, but it says 2 minutes remaining. I think there's a glare one. I don't know. Okay, 1 minute remaining, and I'm still feeling the effects of how cute this is. Oh, yeah, and it says after 5 minutes are up, I have to get a damp cloth. So let me get a damp cloth, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, time's up. Okay. So let's delete that. Bam. So now it's been 5 minutes, and I am going to rinse this bad boy off with a cloth. Okay. Look, I didn't have a cloth, okay? Don't judge me. Get this off my eyelids, too. It does feel a bit greasy, but it gets the job done. Now, I don't know if it says in the instructions to pat this dry, but I'm going to pat it dry and see what happens, alright? Stop judging me. I can feel your judgment from this video. But hey, my face will be popping like a mug. Okay, yeah, because I gotta get this. Okay, so what I noticed with nügg is that it is a bit greasy, slight greasy, but if you do it in thin layers, it can work. My face does feel a bit cold because I use cold water, but I look 10% less fugly. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, click the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye. But seriously, it'll cure your fuckliness though. It cured mine.